Hi, and welcome to From Bump to Baby. My name is Ruth Godoy and I'm a genetic counselor. In our last video, we looked at the benefits of Panorama and how to start the conversation with your healthcare provider. In today's video, I'll be providing you with ways in which genetic counselors can help, as well as more resources on Panorama. After completing Panorama, there are 3 possible types of results you may obtain: high-risk results, low-risk results, and finally, no results. A certified genetic counselor like myself will call your healthcare provider to help with the best course of action if your NIPT report shows a high risk or a no result. If a result is low risk, invasive testing is not indicated. If a result is high risk, you and your healthcare provider will discuss the next steps that may include a referral to a clinical genetics team to help you decide whether to proceed with diagnostic testing to confirm the findings of the NIPT. No irrevocable decision should be made about the pregnancy without diagnostic testing. If you get no results, there may be many reasons for it. Most often, the fetal fraction was not high enough to yield an informative result, and a redraw will be recommended. In a few cases, a redraw is not indicated. Regardless of the reason, you and your healthcare provider will discuss the next step, which may or may not include a redraw, an alternative prenatal screen, or a referral to a clinical genetics team for further evaluation. There are 2 options for diagnostic testing. The first is chorionic villus sampling, also known as CVS, where a small sample of cells called chorionic villi are taken from the placenta. The second is called an amniocentesis, a type of invasive prenatal test where a small amount of amniotic fluid is removed from the sac surrounding the baby. You also have the option to wait until the delivery to confirm the findings. Your care provider can help you determine what the best course of action is. Although rare, false positives and false negatives can occur through NIPT. Clinical findings that are contrary to the result of the NIPT should not be ignored. For more information on NIPT or Panorama, know that you can always reach out to a genetic counselor by phone, email, or by clicking the link below. Furthermore, you can always discuss with your healthcare provider the option of being referred to your local genetics team. A clinic near you can be found through the Canadian Association Genetic Counsellors website. See the link below. It's been a pleasure speaking with you over these last 5 videos. Thanks for watching.